Durable construction. Lasting quality through rigorous testing. 4-in-1 video adapter with VGA, DVI, HDMI, and DisplayPort outputs. Connect and project to 4K monitors, smart TVs, projectors, and more. High-resolution support. Tethered USB-C cable provides easy plug-and-play use. Compatible with USB-C devices, including MacBook Pro, iPad Pro, Surface Pro, Chromebook, and more. The Belkin Difference, pioneer in technology and innovation for over 35 years. A dedicated, tethered USB-C cable provides easy plug-and-play compatibility with Mac and Windows laptops and other USB-C devices alike. A 4-in-1 video adapter that supports a wide range of devices through one convenient hub. Connect your laptop or tablet to an HDMI, VGA, DVI, or DisplayPort monitor and share high-def video content at the touch of a button. A tethered USB-C cable anchors your adapter and provides seamless sharing to 4K monitors, projectors, HDTVs, and more. Designed for convenient, hassle-free use, this plug-and-play adapter is compatible with Mac and PC laptops and other USB-C devices. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. Used adapter to connect iMac Mini to HP monitor. Works great. Item received before anticipated delivery date.